We're diving deep into one of the most exciting smartwatch announcements of 2025, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. Whether you're a hardcore runner, trailblazing hiker, endurance athlete, or just someone who appreciates cutting-edge wearable tech, this upcoming multisport GPS watch is turning a lot of heads for all the right reasons. Let's break down everything you need to know about this next-gen Garmin smartwatch, including its rumored specs, upgraded features, sleek new design, battery breakthroughs, and even its potential pricing. Redesigned and refined, what makes the Fenix 8 Pro stand out first? Let's talk about design. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro isn't just an incremental update, it's shaping up to be a transformative upgrade in the Fenix series. Based on early leaks and insider reports, this smartwatch is expected to launch in at least two size variants, most likely a 47mm standard and a larger 51mm version for those who prefer a big, bold display. The casing is rumored to have a slimmer, more refined profile, polished edges, and improved ergonomics. Users can expect it to sit more naturally on the wrist, making it more comfortable for all-day wear and intense activities. Despite its sleeker build, the watch will retain its military-grade durability, crafted from high-end materials such as titanium alloy and sapphire crystal glass, perfect for extreme weather, rocky trails, and unpredictable terrain. Whether you're pushing through high-altitude treks, navigating dense cityscapes, or heading into a business meeting, the Fenix 8 Pro is being built to blend style and ruggedness like never before. Superior GPS multiband GNSS and real-time mapping, where Garmin has always excelled is in its precision navigation, and the Fenix 8 Pro is poised to raise the bar even higher. This model will reportedly support enhanced multiband GNSS, which means better accuracy across challenging environments, be it thick forests, canyons, or urban areas with tall buildings. But that's just the beginning. One of the most exciting, rumored features is a brand new real-time mapping engine that dramatically improves how quickly maps load and render. This could mean faster zooming, smoother map panning, and quicker recalculations if you go off course. Also in the pipeline is an improved compass and breadcrumb navigation system, allowing off-grid adventurers and explorers to find their way, back with increased ease. Whether you're venturing into the backcountry or trying a new city route, the Fenix 8 Pro ensures you'll never lose your way. Battery life and charging innovations. Up to 18 days and solar power battery life has always been a cornerstone of Garmin's appeal, and the Fenix 8 Pro is no exception. Reports suggest it could deliver up to 18 days of power in standard smartwatch mode, and even longer with battery saver or expedition GPS settings. Outdoor athletes and long-distance hikers will be thrilled with the upgraded solar charging capability, which can harvest energy more efficiently, even in overcast or low-light conditions. That means more time exploring and less time tethered to an outlet. And here's a game changer. Wireless charging might finally arrive. No more fiddling with Garmin's proprietary cables. Just place your device on a wireless pad and let it power up. This would bring the Fenix 8 Pro in line with the convenience of top competitors like Apple Watch and Galaxy Watch. Next-level health and wellness features, ECG, HRV, pulse ox, and more. Now, let's shift focus to health tracking, where the Fenix 8 Pro is looking to seriously raise the bar for advanced health wearables. The watch is expected to feature Garmin's new Elevate V5 heart rate sensor, which incorporates a mix of red and green LEDs for better heart rate accuracy during any type of workout, from HIIT to high-altitude trekking. But the real star could be the long-awaited ECG functionality. If it becomes a reality, this would allow users to detect signs of atrial fibrillation and other irregular heart rhythms, putting Garmin on par with the likes of Apple and Fitbit in the medical-grade smartwatch space. Also on deck are blood oxygen, saturation monitoring, respiration tracking, and heart rate variability insights. These metrics provide a deeper understanding of your overall health, stress levels, and recovery. Sleep tracking will also see improvements, with smarter sleep stage detection and a redesigned dashboard that makes it easier to interpret sleep cycles, breathing rate, and nightly recovery, AI-powered fitness coaching, smarter workouts, and Garmin Connect. 2.0 Garmin has long offered some of the best training features on any smartwatch, but they've sometimes been too complex for casual users. The Fenix 8 Pro is rumored to include an updated Garmin Coach powered by machine learning algorithms. This means your training plan will adapt in real time to how your body is performing. Finished a long run but didn't recover well? Your next workout will be adjusted accordingly. Skipped a few training days? Your watch will auto-correct your schedule. This kind of dynamic AI-driven workout planning makes fitness training more intuitive than ever. In parallel, Garmin Connect, the companion app, is expected to receive a major overhaul. The interface will become cleaner and faster, moving beyond static charts to offer visual timelines, workout summaries, and even built-in video coaching. These videos could help users perform strength moves correctly, stretch effectively, or learn proper running form. It's about turning your smartwatch into an all-in-one virtual personal trainer and health advisor. Everyday smartwatch features: music, LTE, payments, and more. While the Fenix 8 Pro is geared toward athletes and explorers, it doesn't skip out on daily convenience. It's rumored that offline Spotify support will be expanded, letting users sync more playlists and play music without needing their phone nearby. Garmin Pay, the brand's contactless payment system, is likely to work across more banks and retailers, making it even easier to make payments on the go. And perhaps most notably, we could see standard LTE models that allow for calls, texts, notifications, and even emergency SOS features without a smartphone. That's a big win for those wanting a truly independent wearable experience. Lastly, Garmin may be redesigning its Connect IQ store, making it easier to discover new apps, custom watch faces, and third-party integrations, all from your wrist. Garmin Fenix 8 Pro price and expected release dates. For pricing, don't expect this powerhouse wearable to come cheap. Early leaks indicate the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro will start at $799, matching the launch price of the Fenix 7. However, versions with LTE connectivity, titanium frames, or sapphire displays may push the price well above $1,000. Considering the hardware, improvements, new sensors, and smart features, the cost could be justified, especially for those serious about health, training, and navigation. So when will it launch? Most sources are pointing to a late summer 2025 release, possibly around August or September, just in time for the fall marathon season, backcountry expeditions, and holiday tech shoppers. Should you upgrade to the Fenix 8 Pro? Final thoughts: if you're currently using a Garmin Fenix 5 or 6, the 8 Pro will likely feel like a massive leap forward. And even if you're on a Fenix 7, the addition of ECG, wireless charging, LTE, and AI-enhanced training might still tempt you to make the jump.